Ho! Here we go. Hey, hey, hey. You know what? It's Kid from Kid and Play. Hey, hey. Special shout out to my light-skinned brother from another mother. My house party homie. We call him Richie Mack. Cause he got it like that, young ladies. My name is Kid from Kid and Play. And I'm proud to let you know that you are watching Zoom to Thailand.
Y'all want to go back to the old school? I got 2 turntables right here. Let me just tune them up here. I wanna be your man. And right about there, you get tired. You slow it down with something like this. I've been really trying, baby. Tell you about thank you, New York. Love y'all.
First things first, I pop off, fruits all the honey.
Tell me what you like, baby.
Ready or not, here I come. She wanna wait, she bang bang.
Stop, stop.
Been a long time. We shouldn't have left you.
Tell me if you want me to.
Got to do.
No, I don't want no stuff. What would you do if the song was at home?
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
Tune it well.
Idol, the highest title, numero uno.
Pass the Heineken and mind your business.
Sometimes some of them are rally back.
Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't call it a comeback.
Ooh, I see you, dang.
Average 40-year-old has 36 years left in their life. They're 52% done with their life. They've got 1,872 weekends left, 432 full moons left. There'll be a last time you kiss your husband or wife, a last time that you give your child a hug, a last time that you see your parents. Everything will end. And no matter how we cut it, life is too short. The average American life expectancy is 76 years, about 73 for men, 79 for women. But that can be 86, it can be 90, it can be 95, depending on the way that we live our lives. I want to live longer. I don't want to go at 76.
In 100 years, in 2124, we will all be buried with our relatives and friends. Strangers will live in our homes which we fought so hard to build. And they will own everything we have today, including that car you spent a fortune on. Our descendants will hardly know who we were. How many of us know our grandfather's father? After our death, we will be remembered for a few years. And a few years later, our history, our photos, our deeds go into the dustbin of oblivion. We won't even be memories. Maybe if one day we stopped to analyze these questions, we would understand how ignorant and weak the dream of obtaining everything was. Always having more and more without having time for the things that are really worthwhile in this life. I'd change all that to live and enjoy those walks I've never taken.
There's a viral video of a mother at a kid's party twerking. I'm not just talking about for a moment fam where the music catch you off guard. I'm talking about full-blown bending over, leaning on the fence, twerking. The young lad tries to stop his mother from twerking by punching on her. Yeah, he actually threw a blow. And she pushed him off, and then there was other grown people intervening, trying to stop him from punching on his mama. I mean, he was trying to get at her. First of all, salute to the youngster for trying to stop his mama from embarrassing her, him, and our whole damn family. I ain't got no problem with that. But I do have a problem with the youngster swinging on his mother. Those punches are going to be a whole lot heavier when he gets older.
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Shut the fuck up. Hey.
Not nice.
No, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
You need to leave?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Black men that our mothers are telling us to be don't even exist in her bed. Our mothers are telling us to be the kind of man she can't even attract into the house. So how can she guide me to be a man when she don't even have a man? She don't even know a man. Her daddy was her brother was my daddy was she had a baby by my sisters. How can she tell me what kind of man to be? She ain't, mama, you ain't got a man. Or if the man you got, look what kind of man you got, mama. How you gonna shape us boys to be this kind of man that don't even exist but nowhere in your head? That's what's happening to the black boy, trying to listen to his mama become a black man that don't even exist nowhere but in his mother's head. All the things that our mother tell us to do does not help us to be better men. As a matter of fact, she raising him to be this weak man that she wouldn't even date her herself. Mama, can I get your car keys? She'll give us her car keys all the way up until she's 30. But the man she dating, she won't. And the man she dating sit up and say, boy, you let that boy do everything. He can get your money. He lied to you. I lied to you. I'm off of this. He off you and your boy. Motherfucker start thinking of a woman and her son off because she make him her man. And he be a weak off my man. When he leave his mama, he be weak in off my another woman's house trying to play man. A mother's love is not sufficient enough for a boy. He have to have some type of male love, and it has to be consistent. Mothers ruin boys. At some point, he has to go through some training or some discipline, some hard teachings. Man, I ain't never been spanked by a man. I ain't never had a hug from a man. I ain't never heard a man say, I'm proud of you. It was all mama.
90s was a whole different vibe. We all were outside, and we knew how to communicate with each other. It was beautiful.
I agree. If you were a youngster and you grew up in the late 80s and early 90s, you had it good. It was almost like we were in heaven compared to today. Look at them, man. Just smiles. There were healthy boundaries and innocent fun happening. You could leave the house and go out with your people and you didn't worry about, I might get shot tonight. The violence was way down. There was no cell phones, no internet, no social media. People were more mentally sound. Yeah, they were smoking weed, but nobody looked smoked out. Yeah, they were drinking, but nobody looks drunk. The sisters are dressed appropriately. You know, nobody's pants hanging off their ass. No bonnets. You know, just kids being kids, man. We did not realize how good we had it back then. I miss it.
In the club, we'll do it tonight, yeah. From the back to the left to the right, yeah. All them girls looking hot, looking tight, yeah. Come on and move from the wall to the light, yeah. I don't know, maybe you didn't hurt me. We're gonna lose it tonight, yeah, no mercy. We're gonna turn it up crazy. We're gonna turn it up, ooh.
Let me see your hand, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand, let me see your hand.
Wiggle around like you dance